Hi, my name is Divan Davis, and today I'm going to teach you how to single click to just remove the background of any kind of image that you want or you need. So the first thing we are going to do is to single select this to be able to take off the background from this particular image. So the first thing you have to do is when you put your image into Photoshop, just hover to the object selection tool. Okay, then make sure the object finder is turned or ticked, and then make sure you choose lasso tool or lasso. Hard edge should be also checked, and you click on select subject. Then you just have to wait for a moment, and then your image will be perfectly selected. I just love this kind of tool, and then this is the some of the fastest ways to be able to remove a background. That is just by the way. We have so many other styles or ways of removing it, but this particular one is the most perfect and very simple and easy to understand. So whilst we are waiting on our background, this is just a single click of what we want to do. So the next thing we have to do is to wait, and this is taking time because this particular laptop of mine is not having enough RAM. But if you have enough RAM, maybe from 16 gig at least to 32 or above, this process is going to be just a single one. Of course, I have a problem with my RAM. Okay, so that is why it's taking sometimes to load or just select. Okay, but few moments time it will work, or it will be selected yeah. So there we go. Come on, just wow, just taking some time. I don't expect it to be like this though, and it's because of the RAM. So if you have enough RAM, as I said earlier, it's going to load very faster. Okay, come on. Okay, there we go. So the selection, you can see our selection now. So now when you remove this particular thing like this, there will be a probability that the edges around the picture will not be perfectly removed, or you see those kind of other colors adding up at the edges of the picture. So we don't want it that way, so we are going to go back a little bit. Selection is still turned on. Go to select and go to modify. Now don't choose expand, but rather choose contract, and you click on it. The reason why we are choosing contract is that we want to put or let an inch or a bit of the selection to go into our picture, so we can perfectly have a rounded and perfect removal of this particular picture. So I think 2 is okay. You see, so this is what I'm talking about. So the selection will inch into the image a bit. I think the 2 is too much, so I'm gonna revert it back. Okay, go to select again and go to modify, and then click on contract. Just press 1 depending on the image you want, and you press enter. This is very perfect. Is very perfect, a perfect selection. So we're gonna check around our picture and see the selection that we have done. Then after that, don't hesitate, just press on the layer mask section. That's, you're gone, the background is being removed. Just a single touch, just a single click. So you can choose any color that you want, to put at the background anyhow, anywhere, anytime. Just like that. Amazing. And keep on changing your color anyhow, so you can see how perfect the background look, how perfect the selection also look on the background. It's like, wow, it's like this is the original background of it. You can see very perfect, very perfect. You can see. So thank you for watching my video. Don't hesitate to subscribe if this is your first time of watching. We have new free tutorials coming on. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone, and also don't forget to subscribe to all my social media handles. It is the same at Divinity branded. Thank you very much.